In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mute any part of audio in the timeline in DaVinci Resolve 20 quickly and cleanly without having to delete the clip or make a complicated workaround. This is super useful when you want to remove a cough, a mistake, background noise, or just silence a small section of audio inside a video. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to the Edit page in DaVinci Resolve. This is where you'll be working with your timeline and making the changes to the clip. Once you're on the Edit page, find the clip that contains the audio section you want to mute. Now move the playhead to the exact start of the section you want to remove or silence. Getting this first point right is important because this is where your muted section will begin. Select the clip in the timeline so it's active and ready to edit. Next, go up to the toolbar and click on Blade Edit Mode, which is the razor icon. This tool allows you to split your clip into separate pieces. With Blade Edit Mode active, click directly on the clip at the playhead position to create your first cut. After that, move the playhead to the end of the section you want to mute. Make sure it lines up exactly where you want the muted portion to stop. Then click on the clip again to create a second cut. Now you've isolated the part of the timeline that you want to silence. Once both cuts are made, switch back to selection mode by clicking the arrow icon in the toolbar. This returns you to normal editing mode so you can choose the middle segment. Click the middle section of the clip, which is the part you want muted. Now open the inspector panel in the top right corner. If the inspector isn't visible, just make sure it's turned on. Inside the inspector, look for the audio section. Here you'll see the volume control for the selected clip. To mute that part completely, reduce the volume all the way down. This will silence only the selected middle segment while keeping the rest of the clip untouched. It's a simple and very effective way to mute just one section of audio without affecting your entire project. And if you want an even faster option, you can press D to disable the clip. That's another quick way to turn off audio for the selected part, depending on your workflow. Use whichever method works best for your edit. So to recap, go to the Edit page, cut the section you want using Blade Edit Mode, switch back to Selection Mode, select the middle piece, and then lower the volume in the inspector or press D to disable it. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.